So let's discuss now about the ISASCII string function. The ISASCII string function returns true if all characters in the string provided are ASCII characters, else it will return a false. So if we take an example of the string Python is awesome and apply the ISASCII string function and execute our code, it will return a true as all the characters available in the provided string are ASCII characters including the spaces. Now if we replace the character O with some special character, maybe I type option O and execute the same function, it will return a false because this special character cannot be represented by the ASCII code, and thus it will return a false when we apply the ISASCII function on the string. Thanks all for watching this video till the end. I hope you are getting the understanding by watching my videos. If you have any questions or you are facing any issues, please do post in the comment section and I will try my best to reply the same. If you are liking my video, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get a notification when I post my next video. Thank you all again. Stay healthy and safe.